Welcome to Vilnius. It's the capital of Lithuania and the biggest city in the Baltics. We're spending a few days exploring the centre, climbing lots of stairs and trying to wrap our heads around the history. Did you know you're the same age as this country?
So this country is 33 years old?
Yeah.
That's mad.
This is Gediminas Street and it's the main street in Vilnius. I probably pronounced that really wrong. You want to go into a cat cafe?
Café.
But you don't have a cat.
So we can do there all day.
I'm not eating while there's lots of cats around. This is Lukiškės Square. God, I'm pronouncing everything really badly, but yeah, it's really nice. This is a lovely walk down by the river.
Down by the riverside.
Please stop singing. This is Vilnius Cathedral. They're Grand Dukes of Lithuania. It's a relic. It's part of an armband. It's a really beautiful cathedral. There was a big exodus of tourists though at the end there when Mass was about to start. Would you not have stayed for a bit of Lithuanian Mass?
I know, there's...
Dennis, you should go up the bell tower there with your hunched back. I hope they have a lift because I'm not sure I'll be able for steps all the way to the top. It is stairs all the way to the top. Great. They have breaks in between all the steps. I appreciate that. There's a camera on the top. You can move it. Nothing's happening. Oh, hold on to press the button. Oh! Right, it's time for more steps. This is a different man now. I had the old woman downstairs, but this is a man. It's like you're at a silent disco. Can you play a song? No. More stairs. I thought the stairs were all going to be all at once, but they're not, which makes it a lot better. Oh, we're going outside now. So we have to go all the way up there now. They're very steep steps. What's wrong with you?
My legs are gone like jelly and I'm usually fine with heights. I don't like the stairs though, they're very...
vertical. To be fair, it is a very steep stair. Then let's ring the bell. Oh, the electric bells now. God, modern technology. This is the top now. What? Oh God, there is more stairs. Oh, it's the clock. It's the old clock.
Colin, why is it shaking?
Are you coming up? There is a bit of sway up here now, to be honest. Right, I think this might be the way to the top now. Oh, Dennis, I think I'm at the top. Oh, yeah, I'm at the top now. This is the top. Jesus Christ, that pigeon just scared the shit out of me. Look how high up we are. Oh, Dennis, there's our hotel. That scared the absolute shite out of me. I'm not able. Did you get it right?
Yes.
Right, we have to go back down now. Dennis, don't fall and die now, please. I don't think I have the knees for this descent.
Don't get...
You're like an old man.
I'm usually okay with heights, but not today.
Are you nervous about the height?
I don't know. It kind of swings on this floor as well, I don't like that.
Oh my God, that's hilarious. Come on, old man. Down you go. Do you know what? They should just have a fireman's pole that will take you all the way back to the bottom. You'd need to be a mountain goat. This is the steepest part now. would have been great crack during the medieval period. We're going down now into the basement. There's a video. I hope it's hosted by the pigeon. Oh my god, it is the pigeon telling the story.
The bell tower of Vilnius Cathedral is one of the earliest buildings
It's so
in
funny.
Vilnius. 2 bells was installed there.
I'm just sitting here watching a video hosted by a pigeon.
Until today,
Dennis,
the bell tower
the
saw
pigeon is hosting the video.
states and countries lined up and marching at its side.
I'm a big fan of that pigeon. I want to know his name. The bell tower was a lot better than I was expecting it to be. It was really interesting, and the pigeon was definitely my highlight. You have to step on this and then turn around 3 times and make a wish. How many times I turned?
3 times, Colin.
This is the presidential palace. Would you say the president is in there?
Oh, he's probably having his tea. It's tea time now.
There's people there playing chess.
Oh, Colin, look, they have an electric mower. We should get one of them.
If that isn't Dublin, that would be stolen already. This is a nice peaceful spot in the centre of Vilnius. Lovely. Oh look, the fountain dances. Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. We will sit down here and admire the fountain. This is nice and peaceful. Dennis, if you do with a bit of Celine Dion as background music. Are you sure you don't want to play chess? This is the Užupis Republic. Dennis, there's a swing down there. I don't know how you'd get on it. I think this one's going to get on the swing. Oh, she's made it to the chair. Yay! She made it. Her jeans are soaked stuff. They have their own flag and their own constitution and everything. Do you know what that's called?
An independent state.
A micronation. Oh, this is the constitution, Dennis. I like number 12. A dog has the right to be a dog. They even have it in Irish, Dennis. This must be the flag. I like that. I think I might start my own country, just in our house, and start a constitution that you've got to live by. It's just on a little island. They just have loads of houses here as well. Lots of people just live in the middle of this madness. I don't mean to alarm anyone, but there's quite a strong smell of marijuana around here. It's nice and chilled, isn't it? Oh, we found a nice park. Well, I don't know if it's nice yet, I haven't been in it yet, but it looks nice. Dennis, this is the Bernadine Gardens. He's really interested, look at him. That girl's going to fall. Nice evening market. Very cute, isn't it? I wasn't expecting a market. They sell baskets. We'd never fit one into our hand luggage. There's some kind of musical act on down here. When I say musical act, I mean that's probably stretching it a little bit. That's the type of shite that Lithuania sent to Eurovision.
This morning I'm going to be going to the cat cafe, which is right behind me. Colin is not a fan of cats, so I'll be going here on my own. That was the cat cafe. I really enjoyed it.
What's going on here at all? Dennis thinks it might actually be a cult. It must be something to do with like Lithuanian Cultural Day or something. This is Pili Street. This is the main street in the Old Town.
It's quite nice.
It's very quaint.
Relax.
I think it's like a folk singing competition or something. I don't think they're out here doing this every weekend. This This is Signatory's house. This is where the Declaration of Independence of Lithuania was signed. The Orthodox Church of St. Nicholas. This is Town Hall Square. This is the Town Hall. This is the Church of St. Casimir, and St. Casimir is the patron saint of Lithuania. Do you want to go in? Let's go in. This is a really nice square. This is the Gates of Dawn. There's a church over the gate, and there's a mass on. Both John Paul II and Pope Francis prayed here at the Gates of Dawn. Are you sure you won't go to mass? It doesn't look like much at all on this side. These are the old defensive walls of Vilnius. This is the old bastion of the Vilnius city walls. It's a very steep embankment. I mean, that's just an accident waiting to happen. You'd be liable to fall in there. This is St. Anne's Church. They're dancing now. The hats are my favourite part of it. We're going to get the funicular up to Gediminas Hill. I feel like there should be a drop at the end of this. That was like a roller coaster. Lovely views, aren't they?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Breathtaking. Panorama.
Do you want to go into the tower? I was wondering why they had loads of stone balls, and then I saw the catapult. Dennis has gone on without me. We should get one of them in our house. What's this about? It's in Lithuanian. I really want to try that on. Nobody told me there was going to be steps. I'm getting a little bit dizzy now. Will we take a break and watch whatever this is? That was interesting. More stairs. There. Held hands all the way from Tallinn to Vilnius. 2 million people.
What are you watching?
It was called the Baltic Way. That's the map of the Baltic Way. All the way from Tallinn through Riga to Vilnius. I think I'm going to the top. Dennis has been here about 10 minutes. I've been watching that video. There's the funicular. That's the Grand Duke's Palace. You'd definitely do yourself an injury if you fell down these steps. There's Dennis. Carrying on without me. I'm glad I got the funicular up. I couldn't be dealing with all of those steps. The ground is quite uneven. This is a broken ankle waiting to happen. So that was Vilnius. We were really surprised at how much there was to see and do. It's a brilliant spot for a city break. Make sure to subscribe and check out our videos from the Palace of the Grand Dukes and the KGB Museum. Thanks a million for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.